Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change lock screen picture on a MacBook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and open your MacBook, and this is what you'll have in front of you. Now what you need to do to be able to change lock screen picture on MacBook is go to settings. Now settings is the gear icon that you'll find on your screen, or you can just click on F4 to find the system settings, type in system settings and and this is what you'll have in front of you, the settings that are on your PC, on your MacBook, sorry. Now, on the left side of the screen, you need to go and find the wallpaper. So scroll down here, we have general, appearance, etc., and we have wallpaper. Now, when you click on wallpaper, choose one Apple built-in wallpaper or click add photos to use your own image. So you can go into here, all the photos are here that you can of course go and do. Click on, and as you can see, they will be changed like this, and that's how you can actually go and do it. So basically click on the one that you want and it will be instantly changed. And you can also do it for the lock screen, so you could just click on screensaver and you can put it for the screensaver because that is practically the lock screen. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.